Financial management topic is analysis of financial statement. Illustration number 1. The learning objective here is to find the current ratio, how to calculate the current ratio and its significance. Now in this question, we have to calculate the current ratio of a company, Home Design Limited, and the extract of consolidated balance sheet of this company is given. All the amounts are in rupees lakhs. Current assets दे रखी है. The total of current asset is given and the current liabilities and total of current liabilities is given. First of all, to solve this question, you should know the formula of current ratio. Current ratio का formula होता है current asset upon current liability. Very simple. So here both this information is given. Current asset भी दे रखा है, current liabilities भी दे रखा है. So we can easily calculate the current ratio. Now the formula, as we have seen, current asset upon current liability is equal to current ratio. So current ratio on February 2012, 2nd of February 2012, simply we have to divide current asset on that date divided by current liabilities on that date. The current asset was 11,917 lakh and current liabilities on that date was 8,035 lakhs. Once we divide these, we will get a current ratio of 1.48. Similarly, on February 2nd, 2013, the current asset was 10,361 lakh and current liability was 6,501 lakh. Simply divide these, you will get the current ratio on February 2nd, 2013 is 1.59. Mere calculation of current ratio will not help if you don't know the significance of this ratio. What this ratio signifies, we can take this 1.48 is the current ratio on February 2nd, 2012. It means for every 1 rupee of current liabilities, you have 1.48 rupees of current asset. हर 1 रुपए की liability discharge करने के लिए आपके पास 1 रुपए 48 पैसे हैं. Similarly, February 2nd, 2013 में ये पोजीशन बेटर हो गई है. एवरी एक रुपए पे करने के लिए आपके पास 1 रुपीज 59 पैसा है. सो पोजीशन इज गेटिंग बेटर. 2012 में आपका जो रेशो था 1.48 था और 2013 में ये रेशो 1.59 हो रहा है. सो आपकी जो लिक्विडिटी है वो इंक्रीज हो रही है. But whether it is good enough, 1.59, as per the banking norm, the ideal current ratio is 2:1. It means 2. That is, for every 1 rupee of current liability, the company should have 2 rupees of current asset. This is the ideal position of current ratio. This current ratio shows the short-term liquidity position of the company.